What's happening with the rupee? Abhishek Goenka is joining us, founder India Forex and Asset Management. Abhishek, very good morning to you. Can you tell us what's going on? Is this just the strengthening dollar that is responsible across currencies we're seeing this, or is rupee facing its own issues?
Very good morning. So I think the major concern right now is obviously the 10-year bonds in America. That is going up every single day. And that is a major concern, that there is going to be a flight of capital in America. And the US dollar is getting very strong. Currencies like euro, pound sterling have continuously been strong. And that is impacting the dollar rupee. At this point of time, I don't see any inherent factor for India per se. If you see the delta of the currency when it comes to the dollar index, it's less than 0.3. So if the other currencies get stronger by 1%, Indian rupee would get weaker by 0.3%. That's the broad range that we are looking at. So I think right now it's more the concern of the 10-year bond yield than the US dollar, which is impacting the rupee. Slight concern, you can say the oil is inching up, but I think still we are very comfortable in terms of oil prices. And then unless oil moves beyond $90, $95, I don't think that creates a very significant impact in our overall current account deficit and our overall maths.
Quick question.
So that's the main concern.
Abhishek, one quick question. If the yuan keeps on depreciating, which it has been, is it difficult for the rupee to be stabilized then? Will the rupee continue to slide alongside the yuan dollar move?
That's a very relevant point. If the yuan keeps depreciating, then definitely RBI will have to let rupee depreciate, because and it leads to important inflation anyway. So, but lately we have also seen intervention from their side by not letting it depreciate in one single way. So I think there have been bout of interventions by PBOC also after 7.3035 level. But rightly said, if the yuan keeps moving towards 760 or 770, we also have to let the rupee depreciate.
Abhishek, how low is low? I was seeing a report which says rupee could go as low as 90. Do you buy into that? Just wanted to know your take.
So, frankly, I don't know that whether it can go to 90 or not. Yeah, in a long term, obviously, we are going to go to 90. Whether it's going to take 2 years or 3 years, I don't know. But overall, the way I'm looking at it is, if you have seen significant outflows from equity markets, the overall FII participation in equity markets are all-time low. Already the dollar index have become more than 10% strong. 100, we are sitting at 109 or something like that. Historically, what we have seen is that until unless we see significant crisis, like a 2008 or 2013, we don't see movement of 10% plus in the dollar index. I am more on the camp that sooner or later, once Indian valuations become attractive, and we have seen a decent runaway in the US dollar, once Trump comes into power and most of the negativity has been priced in, which I feel, maybe we might see another 50 paisa or something like that in terms of appreciation. But once things get into reality, things might reverse also. So I would rather bet on the change in the trend in the next 3 months rather than ride the dollar full run in the current context.
The trend in the next 3 months. That's interesting. Thank you so much for that, Abhishek Goenka, for coming in for that quick update on the rupee. So rupee was expected to hit 86 because it touched 86 briefly on Friday, if you recall, and it has consistently been hitting record low. So the direction is clear. Are you going to see a change at some point? And it's dollar strength largely, which is moving this. But like